We have this equation, and we know that x cannot be negative 2, and it cannot be negative 3 divided by 2. We are looking for the solution, which means that we have in the answers the values of x. For example, for a, x has to be equal to 3, and x has to be equal to 5. And we have to replace these values in this equation, and the equation has to be consistent. First, a tip. We know that x cannot be equal to negative 3 divided by 2. And in the option B, we have that x has to be equal to that value. So it cannot be the right answer. And the same happens for C. We know that x cannot be equal to negative 2, and we have the value. So C is not the right answer either. So let's start with A, and we'll replace those values in the equation. The first fraction, 5 divided by x. X is 3 plus 2, equal to the second fraction. X is equal to 3 divided by 2 times x. 2 and x is equal to 3 minus 3. That's the fraction. Now let's solve this fraction. 5 divided by 3 plus 2 is 5. And for the other side of the equation, we have 3 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. And 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So does that make sense? 1 is equal to 1? Of course. So this equation is true. But we just found just one value. Now let's look for the other. Now x will be equal to 5. Equation 5 divided by x is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to x is equal to 5. 2 times x, which is 5, minus 3. We solve the fraction. 5 divided by 5 plus 2 is 7, equal to 5. 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 is 7. So 5 divided by 7. And is 5 divided by 7 equal to 5 divided by 7? Of course. So this equation is true. This value belongs to this equation. That means that the right answer has to be 8. But just for fun, let's see what happens when we try negative 3. X will be equal to negative 3. We copy the equation. 5 divided by x is negative 3 plus 2 equal to x is negative 3 divided by 2 times x is negative 3 minus 3. 5 divided by minus 3 plus 2 is negative 1 equal to negative 3 divided by 2 times negative 3 is negative 6 minus 3. Minus 6 minus 3 is negative 9. So let's solve this fraction. 5 divided by negative 1 is the same as negative 5, because this sign should be here. And any number divided by 1 is the same number. Equal to, we have negative 3, and we said that the denominator is negative 9. Negative times negative is positive, so the answer has to be positive. We can divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So positive 1 divided by 3. Now, is it equal to negative 5? No. No way. So D is not the right answer.